Hi, it's Bill Barnett, and I owe you a debt, and I'm here today to pay my debt to you. You see, many years ago, as a young man, I had a wonderful relationship with the late, great Zig Ziglar. And Zig literally, in my early 20s, took me under his arm and he said, I'm gonna show you how to do this thing, boy. And we spent 7 wonderful years together where basically he was my second father. Now, somewhere along the way, in that he said, Bill, there's going to come a time later in your adult life that you're going to have an opportunity to help somebody. When that time comes, I'm telling you right now, you owe it to them. I did you a favor, you do them a favor. You owe them a debt, pay your debt. So through the years, I've had a couple of opportunities to do that, but I want to do that on a much larger, broader scale than has been going on in the past. You know, as the national best-selling author of Are You Dumb Enough to Be Rich, I've had an impact on thousands of real estate investors around the world, and I want to continue that impact. And one of the ways to do that is for us to work together personally. So I developed a mastermind group, and that group is the Over the Hump Mastermind, because I found that so many real estate investors need to get over the hump. They're not where they want to be in their business. They haven't started yet. They've only done 1 or 2 deals maybe, or they're just not to the next level. That's what the Over the Hump Mastermind is all about. Every month we're going to meet and go through a live presentation of taking you over the hump. I'm going to take questions live from you. We're going to have time set up beforehand. So we're covering the material that you need to get covered. Now, for years of doing this, been doing this for 22 years, been teaching for 18. I know a lot of the things that you need. And if I don't know it, I know the people that do know it. And I've got special guests lined up, guys like Mark Victor Hansen, co-author of the Chicken Soup for the Soul series. A lot of great guys, and Mark, you may not know, is a real estate investor, but a lot of big name, powerful people, a lot of great real estate investors coming on with me to help you get over the hump. Now, you might think, Bill, that's great, that's wonderful, but it's probably way too expensive for me. Now, this is the crazy part. We're doing the Over the Hump Mastermind, going to meet monthly for $7.95. $7.95. You'll click right here, get your credit card right now before my partner has been banging me on the head saying, you're crazy, stop that. So get your credit card, get signed up right now before we take that down. $7.95 per month. We're going to give you the first month free. So you come try it, you like it, you hang with us, you can cancel anytime. And it's $7.95 per month. Get your credit card, join us over the hump. We're going to get you there. Thanks for being a part of my life. I look forward to being a part of yours.